See that?
Alright, so Matt and I are in separate states this week, and we are shooting the same video but separately. So Matt started with making some toothpaste and did his own recipe. I'm going to also make toothpaste and do my own recipe, and we will see how that turns out. I hope that I hope it works out well, because I need toothpaste right now. And I want to avoid buying it if I can, because there's a lot of waste with the toothpaste package, you know? Juneau, Alaska. I already make my own deodorant. Full on homesteader life, I guess. I don't know if you can hear the ticking, but that's my toaster oven. We are in my little apartment here in New York. And yeah, I'm melting some coconut oil in my toaster oven so I can use it for this recipe. I have everything all lined up here. Just to run you through what I have some coconut oil. I have this, which seems to be the main ingredient that is the differentiator. It's called calcium bentonite. Oh!
Calcium bentonite clay. Salt, I'm not sure if I need salt. Stevia, like liquid stevia. Essential oils, distilled water. I got some lemon extract, a jar, a stick. I think that's it. I have my computer back here to tell me what exactly everything is going on. But for the most part, what I could tell is I'm going to be just kind of popping everything into here and mixing it up until it becomes a paste. Get my coconut oil. Now, they say in the recipe here not to use metal utensils. They said to stir it up with a plastic or wooden spoon. I don't have a plastic spoon in my, nor do I have a wooden spoon. So I'm using a chopstick. And this is the jar I'm going to be making it in. Use a glass jar. They said don't use a metal jar, or I guess you could use a plastic, but use glass because, you know, you can wash it real easily. And it's called homemade clay toothpaste. Sounds delicious. First ingredient: three tablespoons of the sodium benzonite. Not benzonite. Bentonite clay. And you can buy this at CVS. I'm sure there are other places to get it. I just they didn't have it at the grocery store, but they did have it at CVS. I guess it's popular for making facial like masks. 3 tablespoons. Tablespoons of the clay. I got distilled water because one of the recipes I saw called for distilled water. So this is distilled water, but this recipe says you could just use filtered water. 1/4 cup of this. A better measuring cup for that because it's such a small amount. So that's your 1/4 cup. And it says you can add more water as needed because, you know, you want it to be the right consistency for you. Put that in there and it really just got very murky. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm going to mix that in with the stick so I don't want it to get. So this is very thick. You can see that. 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. 2 tablespoons of the oil. I'm going to mix that oil in with the clay and water. See where we're at with that. Do it very carefully because I don't want it to like splash everywhere. This is, ugh. Looks like I splashed it everywhere. Making a mess. Making a mess. find all of my hit songs on my album, which is on Spotify. It's called John Sings the Nonsense. That's that. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Teaspoon. This might be the most combed my hair has ever been for one of these videos. Still is looking pretty clay-like. I don't see how it's going to get any better because I'm only adding dry ingredients from here on out. Okay, the next ingredient is 15 drops of essential oil. So I'm using lemon, and I'm going to throw just a drop of lemon extract in as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. So just 1 drop of essential oil. I don't know if that will make any difference. Not essential oil, extract. 15 drops of essential oil, 1 drop of extract, 5 drops of stevia liquid. I got Truvia. Like an animal. Truvia liquid. See, that's what it looks like. You can find this in the grocery store. Oh God, it was just a straight like stream. So I'm just gonna do 1 stream. Okay, and now I'm mixing. And they say this clay is good because it is it helps build the calcium on your teeth. Let's see here. You can see there. That's the consistency. So it's pretty paste-like. I'd say it's thicker than... I could thin it down with more water if I wanted to. What I'm going to do is just going to put a little bit in my mouth to see what it tastes like. Alright, it's lemony. I'm just eating it apparently. It's very smooth. It does have like a little grit to it. Like this makes it a little salty, but not too salty. Very dry. I mean, as I said in the car on the earlier part of the video, I don't have any toothpaste right now. I just ran out. So this is going to be my toothpaste for a little while because I made it. And I'm not into wasting things. And I kind of think I might stick with it. I have all the ingredients. Oh, that coconut oil is definitely there as well. Alright, I'm pretty happy with the consistency. I'm going to come over and show it to the camera pretty close. So you get some good audio. It's sort of a purple gray color. I'm going to go try it out. And I'll be right back. Alright, well, I'm back from brushing my teeth. Aftertaste is like nothing. No aftertaste. The overall experience, I would say, is different than brushing your teeth with commercial toothpaste. It's a little more gritty, I would say. And definitely tastes a lot more when you're brushing of the baking soda than it did when I just tasted it. Overall, I would say I'll probably stick with it. Should you try it? What could it hurt? I mean, overall investment, $15. If I stick with it, then that's going to last me a very long time. And if I did use regular toothpaste, that'd probably be what, like 3 tubes? So there you go. Take that for what it's worth. If you like this video, like the things that we do, then go ahead, hit that like button, hit that button, hit all the buttons up beneath me. I don't know where. Share it. Oh, there's a share button down there. Share this video. We love it when people share our videos. And tell a friend. We're trying to grow our base of viewers, and we need your help, quite honestly, because all the people that we know already watch, and they're great, and we love them. But they can't multiply. Some, I guess, they can in like a reproductive way, but even if they do that, those kids are not going to be old enough to watch YouTube videos for a while. And I don't know if this is the content they'd be into for probably a good 15 years at least, though. And by then, who knows, 15 years is a long time. Anyway, give us a like, give us a follow. We are the Jacks of No Trade. I hate myself every day.